Hey everybody, Sean and Allison here from Spoken Garden.
Hi you guys, happy Saturday!
Yay!
It's day 61 and we're outside. It's raining,
Yeah.
but Pacific Northwest in the spring, so
Yeah.
here we are.
Here we are. We're the Quarantine Gardeners, if you didn't know that. And this is our daily video log of us showing what we're doing out in our garden during quarantine.
Which you can subscribe down below so you can keep up with all our latest videos. And if you have been following along, which thank you for that, every Saturday we usually do a seed update or something in our greenhouse or anything related to seeds, kind of a seed Saturday. So today we're out in our front yard taking seeds from our greenhouse and we're gonna get them planted.
So first we're gonna plant some peas in one of our raised bed gardens in our front yard, and then we're gonna build that trellis that we showed you in previous days of the Quarantine Gardener series. We're gonna put that trellis together and get it erected, and then we're gonna weave the plants up into it.
Okay, you guys, we got it all put together. Here it is. So Sean will point to what we did here. We have, as if you watched a previous video, you remember that we made this trellis out of some old deck skirting. It's just lattice. Pretty cool. We got to upcycle it and make a trellis out of it. We found some bamboo sticks in our backyard, so we just kind of inserted those in each of the four corners. And as you can see, we just tied it all together with some old twine we found. We're making sure we repurpose and reuse all the material from our own yard. So this worked out really well. We had 3 pea plants that germinated, and as you can see, they really needed to be planted. So I think we're pretty happy with it. On the other side, we're going to plant our black-eyed Susan vine. So we'll get that in the next couple weeks. So that's a wrap for today. Another project completed. We're pretty happy with it, and we look forward to watching everything grow up the trellis.
Yep, that's day 61, everybody, of the Quarantine Gardeners. Please leave your comments and questions down below for us, because we love hearing from you guys. And give us that thumbs up to let us know we're doing a good job. And also subscribe to our channel so you get updates on our latest videos.
Thank you so much for being here and for watching today. We'll be back tomorrow with another project.
Yep.
So stay tuned and make sure and subscribe, and we'll be back.
Yep, until then, stay safe and see you tomorrow.
Bye everybody.
Bye-bye.